YouTube, so back to another video. So today I woke up and I weighed 242.8, which is literally the same as I did last time I weighed myself. So even though I've been doing cardio, weights, trying to eat a bit better, the weights just ain't going. So today I'm going to track all my food, use my fitness pal, see what I eat. But first of all, it's about like 1:15, it's now 1:30. Going to the gym, going to make a pre-workout. Me and the girlfriend are both going, so I'll double it up. We'll be having 2 and a little bit of scoops. We're doing like half this each. Pre-workout as usual. Just cheap one, Home Bargains UK, £8. It's nice. Drip this up, so doing a full upper body workout. Mainly using machines just because like I'm still feeling it in my shoulders. So yeah, see you at the gym.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I won't get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, try to see what we grin. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, living right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming, okay, it's a dream. And I play as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. To see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me.
What's good, YouTube? Stop! In! Yeah, just been to Vietnam, finished up the workout, bought myself a pack of the protein bars that I like, got 12 in there, they're like 79p, so the box cost me like, I don't know, £8, £9, something like that. After that I also picked up a Rockstar, one of the lower calorie ones, 100 calories in this. It's not a 0 calorie, but I do like this one, 100 calories, I can deal with that. After that I picked up this one with 8 now, it is a Swiss dog. It's a tandoori chicken flatbread. It's like 350 calories and like 15 grams of protein. It looks banging to be fair. So it's sauce a bit spicy. But I'm going to eat this up now anyway, and I'll check in with you next meal. Okay, YouTube, we're back. So since my last clip, obviously I went to the gym, bought the protein bars. I then ate a protein bar, and I also had a couple of Maltesers. Basically, we got one of these big ass bags of Maltesers, boxes, did cheap from the shop, and it's freaking a lot in here. So I only had like the equivalent of one bag's worth, probably had like maybe like, I don't know, 10, 12 ish, something like that. So kept it quite light. Next, my next meal, I'm gonna have one of the meals that I've made it. Let me put it down. Yeah, I'll do. So I'm gonna have one of the meals. I showed this in like 2 videos ago. This meal prep, it is 150 grams of minced beef, 100 grams of pasta, and then like a little sprinkle of sweet corn, so nothing massive. After that, and then also because we've kind of low on protein so far, got some just some whey protein, X-tones to make. So that's for it. My camera lady's currently upstairs, so I can't be off together. I have 2 scoops of protein. 1, 2. Put the lid on a sec. This 6 shaker. Go. So that's pretty cool. Get my going a sec. Heat this up, and then on top for calorie wise, it is high in sodium. I have light soy sauce. Let me grab it 2 seconds. So this one, just because like literally, I used to have a lot of mayonnaise and tomato sauce, and mayonnaise is probably like one of the worst sauces for you. Like it tastes the best, like without a doubt it tastes the best. It's just so bad if it's so high in fat, and it's just really high calorie. So got this instead, literally like, if you have 2 spoonfuls of this, you're talking 16 calories, so literally nothing. I'm gonna have this on top of that, got the shake, and hopefully like my protein will be decently high then. But yeah, so goals for food, trying to get about 200 grams of protein, and calorie wise 2,500 seems to be a good amount, so I can lose 2 pounds a week according to MyFitnessPal. So since I've been tracking it like you do, if you've never tracked your food before and you think you're losing weight, definitely use MyFitnessPal. You learn so much, and then a lot of time you think you've only ate 1,000 calories and you've ate like close to 2,000. So it stops the guesswork and the estimating. So anyway, gonna eat this up now, and I'll see you at my next meal. Okay, what's good? So just got back in from the gym, about to go eat something now. I just did put the wrong lens on it, I put the fisheye lens on, but it looks a bit weird, but oh well. So I literally just did 400 calories on the treadmill, a walk, and then I did like a bit of a jog for like the last couple of minutes, just to get me up to the 400. After that I then did a quick, like 3 different things for course. I did something for lower back, something for the obliques, and something for the abs. Yeah, right, I'll show you what we're about to eat. Okay, what's good YouTube? So, final meal of the day. I'm going to have a protein shake with this too, by the way, but this we're going to have a wrap. Literally got 1 wrap. Got some cottage cheese, just because like it's so low fat and it's like good for you, high protein. Gonna put some of that on this wrap. This is a complete experiment. It might taste like absolute shit, but we'll give it a go. That's probably enough. It's a decent chunk. I've got a little bit more, I'll keep one up. So I'm going for about 100 grams of this, which is about right. There's 400 grams of this, and I took about a quarter out. I'm going to go for some ham. Shit, I probably should have put this on first. Oh well. I'm going to have 4 slices of ham. And then also got some of these seafood sticks. Super low calorie, great snack. Like, I've been having these, I'm hungry. So grabbing a chocolate bar or something like I've used to. I've got 4 of these on. Right, I'll try it now and see if it's nice. If it's vile, then you know it is what it is. Let's give it a go. It's actually really nice. Eat this up now. This is super low calories, so like 400 calories, 32 grams of protein, and there's you've got a lot of volume in there. I'm going to have a shake, and then I'll take me to the end of the day's calories, and just after this clip I'll read you what I've eaten, calories, protein, all the macros. So yeah, I'll see you in a sec. Okay, so just ate that meal, that was really nice. That wrap was like so much nicer than I expected it to be. I thought it would be a bit risky because I didn't like loads of random shit on it, but it's actually really nice. So working out the calories for the day, I said according to MyFitnessPal it wants me to have 2,500 calories, and I've eaten 2,150, so I'm kind of close, and I feel quite full. It is like it's like 10:30. So yeah, I'm probably going to eat anything more now. Carbohydrates I ate 205, which is alright. Fat 61, it's okay, and protein I hit 187. I would have liked to hit close to the 200 mark, but 187 it's still cool with me. So decent full day of eating, decent macros. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to do one of these, let me know. Until next time, see you later.